This already should tell you what this video is going to be about.
Main north mile out.
I guess these are like kind of like a rescue cruiser stuff. Like I guess they're fixing stuff over here. What kind of noise was that? There's some guys over here working on that. I assume this place got flooded. Just by looking how dirty this place is. Hold on, let me turn down the exposure a little bit. Yep. Yeah, that's good. You can kind of tell that this place probably got flooded again, and they're working on stuff over here. Today is Tuesday, October the 11th, 2016, and I thought I'd just see what this place would look like. Just kind of surveying downtown because I know this place got flooded pretty hard during Matthew. Well, flooded a lot more than the previous storm. This entire trek right here, it's like completely like debris everywhere, as far as you can see. So, yeah, I'm gonna go survey the area a little bit more. See you guys in a bit. Disregard that noise. It's that dump truck that I showed you earlier that's dumping rocks right over here. Sounds like an ocean roaring. Anyway, I guess they're working on this area a little bit more. Doesn't look like there's really much any damage here. And I can see a high rail truck coming my way on here on Main number 2. I guess to survey this area. Should be coming through here in a...
Pacific Highway number 2 track, southbound, ANY.
Yep. So, let's let this thing come through.
CSX, signal manager, JA Carpenter, maintainer, Ashworth, over.
So I'm just gonna go off to the side a little bit here.
JA Carpenter, maintainer, Ashworth, over. To maintainer Lambert, over. Neil, I don't think you're going to have enough road there, buddy.
I don't know if CSX has been running through here. I don't think they ran it through here Saturday or Sunday. As Saturday, that's when the hurricane came through here. Sunday was the after effects, when it was really windy, or extremely windy that day. Monday and today, Monday was a little bit windy too, but it was pretty cool, really cool. Probably the morning was in like the low 60s, and throughout the day it was like upper 70s like it is now, but today's warmer. That does get annoying a little bit more, but they're dumping a little bit more rocks there. I doubt there's gonna be any trains here. Sorry guys, every time I hear that, I don't really want to talk over it. So there's really no point because you guys probably won't even hear me. Like now. I doubt they'll run trains maybe until later this week. Can you just let me talk? Gosh dang it. Anyway, I doubt that they'll be running trains here maybe until late this week. I haven't had school the past 2 days because a lot of the families and all that stuff been like trapped and all that stuff, and they can get out of their neighborhoods, and a lot of people need relief. So I might not even have school at all this week. And we're supposed to have class trips tomorrow. That got canceled. I was pretty disappointed about that. A lot of us were, but there goes our higher rail truck. So let's see how the creek or whatever is doing. Okay. Holy crap. I didn't think there would be a washout here. So, I did not expect to see this. This place got washed out. I guess the water, I don't know how it risen to that point, and all that rushing water from Hurricane Matthew and all that stuff. I guess it just eroded away the rocks, and then eventually the rocks blew it over, and then that whole place is washed out. So this is certainly a sight. So they're not gonna be running trains through here for sure for quite a while, a few weeks, maybe a couple months. I don't know. You guys can tell that this storm did some damage, just because that's probably why the dump truck and all that stuff are over there. I guess trying to fix some stuff over there. But when I came over here, I didn't expect it to be very much damaged. But holy crap! I wasn't expecting it to be this bad. So they're just kind of like surveying the area a little bit. Oh gosh. Yeah, they're not going to be running anything here anytime soon. Well, you saw it for yourself, the aftermath of Matthew and what it cost. At least $13 million easily over that has been done in my county alone, Cumberland County. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure about this area. I don't think this area over here and all that stuff didn't get really, you know, but this is the highlight of the video. I didn't think it would be like that at all. Let me move over just a little bit. I hope the CSX workers don't get on me about kind of trespassing over here. I'm just trying to get some good things, so I'm just gonna get this quickly. Just had to raise the exposure a little bit, but that is some solid damage. You kind of see where it was under, and that just washed out. So, yeah. I don't know what CSX, Aberdeen Rockfish, no folks out. I'm not sure what they're going to do about that. They're not going to be running trains through here anytime soon. So I'm sure they're going to be doing their best to try and clean this up, rebuild it, and hopefully make it safe again. I don't know if they're going to be, I don't know when they're going to start running trains through here, maybe next week. Who knows? This is really tragic for rail companies here. The water looks like it's back to normal, but that is just bad. You know what? That's probably why they're loading rocks over there. They're probably gonna try and patch that up. Man, I did not expect to see that. Well, I'm gonna go off in that area and see what's up and all that stuff. After that, that would be the end of the video. I just wanted to survey this area a little bit. But that is some serious stuff. They dumped rocks over here. And that washout was something. Really something. And our high rail truck is gone out of here. So, yeah. See you guys in a bit. As you can see, that's where they dump the rocks right there. And they're doing stuff. This is really an interesting day. I guess they're gonna get the excavator and do something with it. So that's interesting. So just kind of cleaning up this place. I guess they're flooding or something like that. I guess there would be a risk of this place washing out, I guess. So they're just gonna, I guess they're cleaning that up. Semis out of there. Around downtown got flooded pretty hard, like to unbelievable heights. So yeah, I have kind of limited time, so I just wanted to see what's going on over here. So I'm on my way now. See you guys later. Goes all that equipment, all that. All right. Well, this is where I sign off. Well, that's it for now, guys. I have to go. This is Captain Justice out. Kind of see it over there where that washed out. CJ out.